Good morning. Today we will discuss the numerical integration. Numerical integration. Now, the numerical integration, how to differentiate? Integration a to b. This is for lower limit and this is for upper limit. Y into dx, y into dx, or it is also defined a to b f of x into dx, f of x into dx. This is for given numerical integration. Now to solve by using, there are two method in numerical integration. Number one, trapezoidal rule. Number two, Simpson's one-third rule. First one, trapezoidal rule. Here the given integration a to b y into dx. Here y equal to f of x. We can derive integration a to b f of x into dx also. Okay. Now trapezoidal rule, the given numerical integration problem, now to solve by using the either trapezoidal rule or Simpson's one-third rule. First, trapezoidal rule. Now the formula, integration a to b y into dx equal h divided by 2 within bracket a plus 2b. Here where h means intervals. How to find out the h value? Now to subtract upper limit minus lower limit divided by number of intervals n. Here the b for upper limit minus a lower limit divided by number of intervals. Okay. Now to divide these two, we can get the h value. H means intervals of between two x. Where a equal to sum of the first and last ordinates. And where b, here sum of the first and last ordinate means here the given x value and corresponding y value. This is for x value, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and corresponding y value 15, 20, 17, 90 and 28. Now this is for y0 value and this is for y1 and this is for y2 and this is for y3 and this is for y4. Here the sum of the first and the last ordinates. Sum of the first and the last ordinate means we can add y0 value plus yn y4 value. Okay. Here we can add y0 value plus yn value. Suppose 5 means we can add y4. Suppose 10. Okay. We can add y0 plus y9 value. That is why represent for your y0 to yn. Okay. This is for A. And B equal to the sum of the remaining ordinates. Sum of the remaining ordinates. y0, y4. We can add the A and B means sum of the remaining ordinate. Sum of the y1, y2, y3. B equal sum of the y1, y2, y3 like that we can add. This is the formula for B and this is the formula for A. These two value substitute here and to find out what is the result of the given numerical integration by using trapezoidal rule. By using the trapezoidal rule. Okay. Second one, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Second one, Simpson's 1/3 rule. 1/3 rule. Integration a to b y into dx or integration a to b f of x into dx. Okay, now the given numerical integration solved by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule: integration a to b y into dx equal h divided by 3 plus a plus 4b plus 2c. This is the formula for to find out the given numerical integration by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Here, when h is equal to upper limit minus of lower limit divided by number of intervals required. Okay, b for upper limit and a for lower limit divided by n for number of intervals required. Now to divide these two, we can get the h value. H means the intervals between two x values. Intervals between two x values. And how to find out a value? Suppose here x and this is for y. X value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the corresponding y value 5, 7, 9, 27, 49, 88, minus 5, 2, 9, 57. Okay, this is for x value and this is for y value. Now to solve by using the Simpson's 1/3 rule, for that this is for y0 value, y1, y2, y3, y4 y5, y6 and y7, y8 and y9. Okay. Now to find out what is the A, B and C, where A equal sum of the first and last ordinates. First and last ordinates. Here the given y value y0 to y9. This is for first value and this is for last value. So we can add A equal to y0 plus y9. y9 or number of yn. We can add. This is the A value. And how to find out the B value? Now B equal to sum of the odd ordinates. Sum of the odd ordinates. Sum of the odd ordinates. Sum of the odd means odd number of ones. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that. y1, y3, y5, y7. We can add y1 plus y3, y5 and y7. Like that we can add. This is the B. Sum of the odd ordinates. And how to find out the C value? C equal to sum of the even ordinates. Even ordinates. C equal. Even means 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that. y2, y4, y6, y8. We can add y2, y4, y6, y8. Like that we can add. This is the formula for to find out the A value, B value and C value. This value substitute here and to simplify and find out the what is the result. This is the numerical integration. Now the given numerical integration solved by using Simpson's one-third rule. Simpson's one-third rule in numerical integration. Now the given numerical integration we can solve by two ways, either trapezoidal rule or Simpson's one-third rule. Okay? Thank you.